My name is Arun from usitrecruit.com. Today we are going to learn all about subject lines, as subject line plays an important role in deciding a person to open up the email. So let's see a tool which tests the subject lines. And the last we are going to see some set of rules to write a perfect subject line. Before, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe and hit on that bell icon. Let's jump into the computer screen and see how this tool works. And name of the tool is sendcheckit.com. Sendcheckit.com, spelled as sendcheckit.com. As you see on the screen, this is an email subject line tester. And basically how this tool works is that whenever you want to test some subject lines of the emails which you are going to send to the consultants or the applicants, just copy paste your email subject line and click on this test subject now, and it will give you some suggestions on how to improve that and what are the mistakes you've been doing to improve that. So let's test some mostly frequently used subject lines by most of the recruiters. Whenever a recruiter sends an email to the consultants or applicant, the mostly or the frequently used subject line is looking for Java developers at Dallas, Texas, or the location or the contract period. This is the most commonly used subject line for every recruiter which I have seen in my experience. So let's test this subject line. What this subject line tester will give us the results. So when I click on test subject now, and below you can see few pointers. When you just scroll down, and first you can see this is of a B grade, where basically in this subject line tester we have A, B, C and C grades based on the level of subject line you've been using, and out of 100 points it has given 90 points. More the points, the best is the subject line is. So we are going with a better subject line, best subject line, but there are also a few more things to tweak and to improve this subject line. So let's scroll down and see, and as you can see, there is a scannability part. The scannability part is that this tool is mainly focused on Gmails, because as most of the consultants or most of the people in this world use Gmail as their main primary emails, because as it is free. So the scannability part is that the Gmail can able to easily scan your subject line, because as this is of 5 out of 10, as the best part given by the default one is 5, lower is the better. So we have the best thing. And coming to this reading grade level, means 8th grade people can read your subject line and can understand the subject line, then it is a good thing. So if you get higher than this, you need to improve your subject line, tweak some things and make better subject line. And coming to the length of the subject line, usually a subject line contains 52 characters within 8 words. So we have 60 characters in 10 words, but it is good. And this is a preview, and you can see this is in the desktop mode and this is in the mobile mode. So as you can see, in the mobile mode, we have typed the subject line as looking for Java developers at Dallas, Texas, 6 months of contract. But in mobile, it is looking only for, it is showing us looking for Java developers. That's it. So what we should do is that, as 50% of the people or the consultants use mobile to check their emails, so make short email subject lines and it will fetch you more response rate. And coming to this sentiment part, just forget about this. And coming to the below few things is that don't use this reply or forward before your subject lines, because as this will be sent into spam folders. And don't use words like free or opportunity. It might be sent into a spam folder and you won't get any responses from that, because as most of us won't check our spam box. And the words, don't use bad words or the spammy words. It will be automatically pushed into the promotion tabs. So basically what this tool tests is that, is there anything that spammy words or something of faulty in your subject line. You just copy paste your subject line in this tool and it will give you the best results, and you can tweak if there is anything faulty in that. And don't use exclamation marks, and always keep in mind, don't use all capital letters in your subject line. It is better to use capital letters before each word, but don't write your subject line totally into capital letters, because as it will be saying that you're shouting at the recipients or shouting at the applicants. Okay, and don't use punctuation marks, but don't use excessively. And always make the personalization, always write it personalized subject lines. Don't copy paste from somewhere or anything. Okay, and the better part is that use emojis, as this is the best part, because emojis, as everyone say that while using emojis it will be sent into a spam box. No, you won't be sent your email into a spam box when you use an emoji. It will rather than get your response for that email. So always try emojis before that. So if you want to get emojis for free, you have a link here, getemoji.com. right click on this and open it in new tab, and you will get all the emojis, and you can copy paste and you can test your subject line by using emojis as well. So let's test the other subject line which I have created. So let's see how this subject line works. So I am taking an emoji as this, just copy and paste it here. I'm using a company called Wipro. Wipro is looking for you, and click on test subject now. Yeah, as you can see, I have got 95 points here, because this is a very solid subject line that should perform well for you. And you need to use appropriate sentence and appropriate lines in subject line, and it should be very short. And so before wrapping up this video, I want to give you 4 important rules before writing an email. Always, rule 1, keep it short, not more than 60 characters, because 50% of the emails are read on mobile phones. If you want the entire subject line to be viewable, keep it short. And second one, say the important stuff first. Since you may have only 20 to 30 characters to grab a person attention, say the important stuff first, otherwise essential details might be cut off. And avoid these words like free, help, exclamation marks, and excessive use of punctuations. And rule, avoid writing the subject lines all in capital letters. Never write an email subject line using all capital letters. It is the equivalent of yelling at the person you are writing an email. And thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe and hit on that bell icon for further notifications, and click on the like button if you like this video. Thank you so much.